Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, it is going to be a review of some products that I have been having from shopmissay.com that I've been meaning to review in a video for y'all. I have reviewed them already on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out, just like a real quick one sentence review, a picture of it, to the point, and swatches. I will link my Instagram down below for y'all, or as well leave it right here on the screen or somewhere on the screen for you. So if you want to hear my thoughts on all of these products, then just keep on watching. If not, and this does not pertain to you or you're not interested, then feel free to click off this video and I will see you in a next one. I want to talk about, and it's not available anymore on the website. I just checked right now. I'm not sure when they took them off the site, but they are these rectangle pearl beaded snap clips for the hair. They did come in this 2-pack for $1. I specifically wanted these because the model on them, I believe her name is Brittany, super gorgeous gal. She had one right here, and she pretty much just snapped it, and it was super cute, like a little hairstyle, take away the hair out of the face kind of, style. And I think it's adorable. I love this beaded texture, the beaded look to it, and I think they're so adorable. They're so trendy. I feel like these big snap clips are kind of the new style nowadays. And they're very bumpy, very sturdy. They snap on, they snap off, or actually the other way around, but you get it. And they don't hurt whenever I put them here and I snap them on. I do like to use these whenever I'm doing my makeup, or whenever I'm had it out and I just want some clips to get my hair out of the way, or snap my hair in the back of my head and just kind of keep my hair almost like this style, and then put on the snap clips. They can kind of tug on your hair a little bit whenever you try and take them off. So for example, unclip and I pull away, hair can get kind of snug and caught in here. So you just got to be extra careful with that. Again, I feel like it's with any snap clip, but these are no longer available on the site, but I do love these and I think they're so adorable. I did get the white one. I think they had a few other colors, but I wanted just this basic white color because white goes with everything. So that's just kind of my thought. Next product is going to be the AOA Studio Hush Cream Sheer Blush. And it does come in this little square compacted, super cute. It's very tiny. I was not expecting it to be this tiny. This is what it looks like. This is the shade Passion. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for y'all so you can kind of see what it looks like. They do have 8 shades. It is a silky, seamless cream blush that gives you the most amazing flushed look. It's buildable, so it's easy to use, and you won't accidentally add too much. These cream blushes are great for the natural no makeup looks, as it says on the website. There is 8 shades. I feel like this particular shade is so bright for my skin tone. I can definitely, just pat on a little bit on the cheeks and just get that nice little added flush of color, kind of like you have natural rosy cheeks, or you've been out in the sun for a little bit and you kind of get, those flushed cheeks type of look. I do feel that this is so easy to work with, super smooth. It feels so good. It does not really budge once you apply it on the cheeks. It is going to stay put there no matter how long you've had it on for, no matter what you're doing. I also have not tested this yet. I wanted to do an entire face using this particular blush. So for example, on the cheeks, on the eyes, and then a little bit on the lips, and kind of a monochromatic one color look. So let me know if you would like that. If not, I might already be making a video, who knows, but just let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see something like that. Next products are going to be blush again as well, except these are their Perfect Blush. And we do own 2 different shades, and what you're seeing now is the shade called Wispy, and then this other one right here is called Dandy. So they do look very similar in the packaging. Kind of just want to read off what they say about them real quickly. So they are a fine, smooth, pigmented powder. It glides on naturally. It's buildable from super natural to super bold, and it complements the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Powder and Perfect Pressed Highlighter. So if you do pick those up, it's going to pair very nicely and go very well with this. They are super soft and pigmented with a beautiful sheen. Your face will be glowing with these blushes. There are 12 different shades. They're vegan, cruelty free. So what you're looking at on my hand right now is this bottom swatch right here is called Dandy, and this top one is called Wispy. So Wispy is the darker one of the two. They do look very similar, but obviously you can kind of tell a little color difference between the two. On my fingers, you can definitely tell that this one is more of like a red sort of orange, like a salmon almost, and this one's like a more of a creamsicle ice cream orange. So this is Dandy, and this one is Wispy. Sorry, I almost went off camera, but I am wearing, I believe, the shade called Dandy on my cheeks today. I have used both of them quite a few times, and Brandy also has been using them as well. We love these blushes. For the price point, you really can't go wrong with $1. They're very easy to work with. They're very buildable. They're super soft in the pan, super soft on your fingers when you apply them on your cheeks. I've also tried to use these and working them in eyeshadow, because I always like to use blush and eyeshadow, or blush as eyeshadow, excuse me, to kind of create like a very easy on the go eye look for, you know, whatever reason you need to for, or just if you want to save money that way and kind of multi-purpose your products. I don't find that these blend or look all that great on the eyes. I feel like I look very sunburned on the eyes. I look very red, irritated, and for me personally, I just don't really like that look. But these blushes, you cannot go wrong. They are a fairly small sort of packaging, but they're also able to kind of travel with, throw in a pocket, makeup bag, backpack, whatever you carry around, travel, so they won't take up too much space or be too heavy for, you know, wherever you want to take them on the go and such. So, but I really like these. These are so worth a buy, so worth picking up, and I highly recommend these. Next product is going to be their A+ brush cleaner. That is in sort of like a liquid form. They do have like a sponge type, but I'm just going to be focusing on this one today. I will review the other one in another video, so just stay tuned in the future. More videos are coming, different types of videos are coming. Just hold on tight. And this one is their lavender scent. They do also have a rose scent, and this is supposed to be an antibacterial as well as clean your brushes. On the website it says a brush cleaning spray that will quickly remove powder color from your makeup brushes and also disinfect. Clean makeup brushes are a must for good hygiene and to protect your skin. Available in 2 refreshing scents, perfect to use in between makeup looks when you need to switch colors on your brush. It's travel friendly, cruelty free, and it's a 50 milliliter bottle. I don't really care for this product. I was not really like, I was impressed with the fact that, you know, it lightly cleaned my brushes. You get a little paper towel, you spray a few spritz of it, and then you just swirl your brush in there. It does dry quickly, which it does, I believe it says on the back of this, it's a quick drying, cleaning, and disinfecting spray. So I do enjoy that it disinfects my brushes as well as lightly clean it. It's not going to deep clean it. Like if you want to get all of the color off, then obviously you're going to take the time to get a soap and really just clean your brushes thoroughly and spend that extra needed time. This is more of if you're on the go, or if you're a makeup artist, or if you're on a budget and you only have a few brushes but you like using this one particular brush and you just kind of want to take off a little bit of the color and then go in with another color type of thing. This is what's more basically what it's for. I don't really get a lavender scent out of this. I get more of the alcohol scent in this. It is straight alcohol. It does have a nice clear cap to protect it, so there's no accidental, you know, spritzing of the bottle, or you don't, it's a nice tight hold so it doesn't leak. So the spritzer just kind of looks like that. It's a very like fine mist, almost like a setting spray. You do immediately smell the alcohol. That's my only gripe about this. Otherwise, it does work, and it is a good solution, and it's also part of their education charity line, the A+, so that donates to education for children locally and around the world. I appreciate that, but just I cannot get over that real alcohol smell, and it disgusts me, and that's just my only issue with this personally. Again, if that doesn't bother you, feel free, by all means, purchase it. But I'm using this up and I'm not going to be repurchasing this. Last and final product, and this one shouldn't take too long simply because there's really not much to say about it, but it's their AOA Studio Precision Slant Tweezers. And this one, they say it's a slanted tweezer ergonomically designed for easy and accurate tweezing. Professional quality provides a strong grip that will easily remove any unwanted hairs and help sculpt brows. So I do like that it just looks like your typical tweezer. I mean, there's really nothing fancy to it. There's really nothing, you know, that's going to blow your mind about it, or it's revolutionary. It does feel like very velvet, soft, smooth, nice, sturdy grip. The very end of it's your typical metal or stainless steel. So it's a really nice, firm, well-made tweezer. This was $1 again. I think everything was $1 except for that brush cleaner, which of course it's always, you know, there's a little text box here giving you extra information for you to know, as well as what I'm saying. But I don't really use these to take off any hairs off my brows, or really like take off any unwanted hairs off my face for whatever reason. I specifically use these just to take off the glue off of my lashes, and I feel like it does the job. Of course, you're just gonna have to be careful on that realm of taking off the lash glue of lashes, but these do what I need to do. These are very sturdy, they're very well made. You can tell that there are some high quality tweezers, and for the price point, I don't find $1 tweezers pretty much anywhere, and these do the job. I'm impressed, and I will definitely be picking Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts on any of these products if you've tried them, or if you're interested in picking them up, or any other product that you've bought from shopmissa.com. Feel free to leave those in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.